If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, this might be the reset you've been waiting for. Because the truth is, most people don't have a money problem. They have a habit problem. And over the next 30 days, we're gonna fix that. Welcome to Econ Vision X. This is not about getting rich overnight. This is about building control, discipline, and clarity with your money. Because once you control your money, you start controlling your life. And it all starts today. Let's be honest for a second. Money comes in. You feel good. You tell yourself, this month will be different. And then life happens. You grab coffee. You order food. You pay subscriptions you forgot about. Small decisions, over and over again. Until one day, you check your account, and it's almost empty. Sound familiar? That's not a lack of income. That's a lack of awareness. And awareness is where we begin. This is a 30-day reset. For phases: awareness, control, growth, optimization. Each week builds on the last one. And if you follow this all the way through, you will not be the same person financially. Week 1 is about awareness. And I know, it sounds simple, but this is where most people fail. For the next 7 days, I want you to track everything. Every single dollar, every coffee, every snack, every online purchase. Write it down, or use an app. But don't skip anything. No guessing, no rounding, because what gets measured gets managed. By day 3, you might start noticing patterns. By day 5, you might feel uncomfortable. And by day 7, you'll see the truth, where your money is actually going. And here's the part most people don't expect. It's not the big expenses hurting you. It's the small ones, the daily habits, the things you don't think about. That's where your money disappears. Now we move into week 2, control. This is where things get real. Because now, you know the problem, and it's time to do something about it. Step 1. Cut one unnecessary expense. Just one. Could be daily coffee. Could be a subscription. Could be eating out too often. You don't need to cut everything. Just start with one. Because small wins build momentum. Step 2. The 24-hour rule. If you want to buy something, wait 24 hours. No exceptions. Because most of the time, you don't actually need it. You just feel like you do in the moment. And when the moment passes, so does the urge. Step 3. Set a weekly spending limit. This is your boundary. Not to restrict your life, but to give it structure. Because freedom without structure leads to chaos. By the end of week 2, you'll feel something different. More in control. More aware. Less impulsive. And that's where real change begins. Now we enter week 3, growth. Because controlling money is powerful, but growing it is life-changing. First, saving. I want you to save at least 10% of your income. If that feels hard, start smaller. 5%, even 1%. The amount doesn't matter. The habit does. Because saving is not about leftover money. It's about priority. Second, your emergency fund. This is your safety net. Life is unpredictable. Expenses will come. And when they do, you don't want stress. You want stability. Start small. $50, $100. Build it step by step. Third, think about earning more. Because there's a limit to how much you can cut. But there's no limit to how much you can earn. Start simple. Freelancing. Selling something online. A small side hustle. You don't need perfection. You just need to start. By now, you're in. Be honest. Where did your money go? What worked? What didn't? Now create a simple budget. Nothing complicated. Just clear categories. Needs, wants, savings. Give every dollar a purpose. Because when money has direction, it stops disappearing. Next, set your goals. 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. What do you want? Savings? Debt-free life? More freedom? Be specific, because vague goals create vague results. And finally, Day 30. You made it. Take a moment. Look back. Because you are not the same person who started this. You're more aware, more disciplined, more intentional. And here's the biggest shift. You don't react to money anymore. You control it. Because at the end of the day, money isn't complicated, but behavior is. And the people who win financially are not the smartest. They're the most consistent. So if you're serious about changing your life, don't wait for next month. Don't wait for more money. Start now. Comment day 1. Make it real. Commit to the process. Because 30 days from now, you could be in a completely different place. Subscribe to Econ Vision X and start building a life where money works for you, not against you.